Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pertemuan ke-18. Work in pairs to ask and answer the following questions. What time do you wake up? At 8 a.m. What time do you normally get up? At 6 a.m. Do you take a bath or shower in the morning? Yes, I shower in the morning. Do you have morning prayers? Yes, I have morning prayers. Do you always have breakfast? No, sometimes. What time do you usually eat breakfast? I have for breakfast at 9 a.m. Do you have breakfast with your family at home or at your office or school canteen? I have breakfast at school. What do you have for breakfast? I have bread and milk. What time do you go to school or campus? At 8 p.m. What time do you go to work? At 8 p.m. How do you go to school or to work? I go to school on foot. How long does it take to go your office or school? Just 5 minutes. What time does your office or business open? At 8 p.m. What are your main activities at school or at work? Please explain. Study and do assignment. What other activities do you have? Buy snack in the canteen. Do you talk a lot at work or at school? Whom do you talk to? I rarely talk to people. It is not important. Do you seldom talk? Why it is so? Yes, I rarely talk because I don't like talking if there is nothing important. Do you use computer quite often? No, I rarely use the computer. Do you sometimes have a meeting? Rarely, only if there is important work. When do you usually have a meeting? One Saturday and Sunday. How long does it normally take? Just 1 hour. What do you discuss in your meeting? Discussing courses. When do you have a break? Tea break, lunch break. I took a tea break. Do you go out for lunch? No, I ate in the kitchen. Whom do you go out with? With friends. Where do you have your lunch? I ate lunch in the kitchen. What do you usually have for lunch? Rice with all side dishes. Do you always have food? Do you always have good food? Yes, thank God I always eat well. Do you buy the food? No, I cook in the kitchen. How much do you spend for buying food? Just 10,000 for snack. What is your typical day of work every day? What time do you go home from school or work? I come home from school at 4:30 in the afternoon. Do you go home directly or do you go somewhere else? Yes, I went straight home. F for those who stay at home, bagi yang tinggal di rumah. Bagi yang tinggal di rumah. What do you do? Please explain. My job is to look after the shop. Do you cook? What do you cook? Yes, I cook spinach. Do you do any housework? Yes, sometimes I do. What housework do you do? Such as sweeping, mopping, cleaning the house. What time do you start and finish your homework? From 8 in the morning until 12 in the afternoon. Can you explain your homework? Give some tips how to do it in the morning at 8 o'clock, cooking, then sweeping and cleaning the things in the house. Activities after school or work. Aktivitas sebelum kerja atau sekolah. What are your most routine activities after school and work? Wash your face, pray, and help with housework. What time do you have dinner? I have dinner at 8 in the evening. Whom do you have dinner with? I have dinner with my family. Who prepares the meal for you? Family at home. What do you after dinner? I did not eat anything. What time do you go to bed? I sleep at 2:22 p.m. Describe what you like to do most after work. Jelaskan apa yang Anda sukai setelah bekerja. Why do you like that? Because I can rest and do other activities. Do you spend a lot of time watching TV or television, or do you do something else? Yes, I spend time playing on my cell phone. If you watch television, what do you watch? I see news and cartoon. What time? At 30 a.m. Which channel? MNCTV and RCTI. How do you like it? Yes, I like it. Thank you.